How to build a dog house for a lab. Each and every dog deserves a place to call home. Labradors aren't fully grown until 14 months, and then they can grow to be pretty big. They'll need a cozy, comfy house to keep them warm on wet and dreary days, for shade and cool when the weather is very hot, and a quiet place to take a nap when they're feeling lazy. Steps. 1. Find a nice 4-foot square area on your lawn where you will place the doghouse. Dig 4 1-foot deep post holes at each corner of the square. Plant the wooden posts tightly and securely into the holes. 2. Cut 2 4-foot square slabs of plywood for the left and right sides of the house. Stick the sides of the house to the posts with wood glue and nails. 3. Cut 2 pentagonal plywood slabs for the front and back of the house. They must be shaped and sized identically to the 4-foot squares, except with another equilateral triangle on top to shelter the slanted roof. 4. Cut a U-shaped hole that is at least 2 feet (6 meters) tall into the front wall of the house. Then, stick the front and back walls to the posts with wood glue and nails. 5. Measure out and cut 2 slabs of roofing that will extend over the sides of the house at least 2 inches (51 centimeters) to carry off rainwater. Stick the roofing with wood glue and nails. 6. Paint and finish the entire house to weatherproof it. Tips. If you're housing more than one dog, multiply the dimensions accordingly. Warnings. Caution. Use safety goggles, gloves, etc. Be safe. Things. Post hole diggers. 4 5-foot 4 by 4 wooden posts. 4 large sheets of 1-2 inch thick plywood. Table saw. Wood glue. Hammer and nails. Wood paint and finish.